Hi, this is Mr. Roche. Okay, so we're working on the wiring project here, and we've got this going on. One of the things that has to happen with this is there's a couple of more things that need to get wired. When we talked about binary decimal, um, this would be like the ones place. This would be the twos place. This is for 4, and this is for 8. And the good thing is that just each one of these is going to get wired to the Arduino, right? But the problem is that we're going to put in another one of these, right? Another 4511 chip, and we have to make room for them, and actually the inputs on these things have to get shared. So, in looking at this one, this input 3 has to share with this, and the input 2 has to share with this, and the input 1 has to share with this, and the input 4 has to share with this. So we have to create a system where they're going to share information. So I'm going to do it this way, okay? I'm going to use pin 4, 8, 9, 10, and 11 for the 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, okay? And I'm going to, let me move this down a little bit. I'm going to wire like this way. So this is the 1, okay? And I'm going to put it, let me see. I just have to get it to someplace where all these guys could share this wire if they needed to. Okay, so I'm going to have it come in here, maybe, and go up to, like, let me see, maybe like here. Okay, and let's straighten that out. Okay, so I've got this wire going here, and this is like the 1 wire, right? So if I need this, guys, this is input 3, this is input 2, this is input 4, this is input 1. What I'm going to need to do is have just this come out and attach somewhere to it, okay? So I could go, I guess it's kind of easy just to go straight across. So let's just do this. Okay, so that's a connection from input 1 to here that I can share with the other one when it comes time to do it. I'm not going to do it today, but we're going to do it. Okay, so let's follow our way of doing this. Is the first one's going to be like brown. Okay, so that hits the input there. Okay, now I'm going to find input. That's input 1. Hooray. Okay, this is input 4. Okay, so this is going to be input 2. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go like this and make a wire for 2. And I guess it goes like this way. Come up here and go like that, okay? And I'll straighten this out so it looks better. Like that, okay? And this is input 2, okay? So what I would need to do is get this from input 2, okay, all the way over to here. The color of this one is going to be, I should make this one gray. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to make this one brown. Okay, and so this one, this one might cause me trouble anyway, so I might move it. I'm going to go like this. This is input 1. I'm going to go this way maybe. Come around here. So that way these guys could have some space to work. Come in here like that. Make this gray. Okay. We can move these up here. Okay. Something like that. And then the second one here is input 2. So this guy's going to be brown. We'll come across. There it goes. Okay. and we'll straighten that out, make it brown. Okay, so that gets a connection to here, and it leaves open stuff for these guys to share. Okay, so then I got to get input 3, which is going to be this one. Okay, and that's not good. Okay, but we'll go here and we'll straighten it out. Okay, so that's input 3. Make this go a little bit lower. A little bit wider. Okay, and then input 3 is, I believe, this one. So we'll go here. Okay, that it takes, but we'll go here. Moves down a little bit. Okay. The color for this should be gray, brown, pink. So that's a pink wire. This is going to be a pink wire. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, and there's need one more. So input 3, and this is input 4. Okay, so input 4 is going to go to D11. Go here. When I get through there, it's like that's best. We'll figure it out. Come in here. I want it to go into a thing. I'm just going to go here. Okay, and then I can straighten it out. It's a little tight in there. It's over here. Okay, and the color for brown is going to be purple. I mean, for the fourth wire is going to be purple, and then this input here is going to go up here, over here, and down here. Okay, that looks good. And then that's actually good because then this is totally wired, and this can be shared with other connections over here. So I'm gonna have to bring in connections like here too. So what happens is there's only this many of these things, and then the last thing we need to do is get. I'll use like we need to use the latch pin to do stuff. So I'm gonna make a wire like here, going over here. And let's pull it into 2, and that's going to be the latch pin. And for this, I'm going to make this like, really showy. I'll make it like yellow so people know that that's the latch pin wire, okay? And we're going to wire these other ones up, okay? But this is the system that will work. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 wires going like 1's place, 2's place, 8's place, 16's place. They go here. The inputs go into the chip this way, and the outputs turn on the thing. Okay, I have to show you how to do the software, but that's the wiring. Let me get some software and I can maybe test it. Hang on a second. So yeah, here it is with the code. So what's going on is we have all of the A, B, C, D, F, G pins correctly wired up, which is good. And we've got our latch pins going on here, and this is our big, these are like testing ones, and this is our latch here. And what we do is we turn it on and set the digit, and it works out okay. So we'll try to get these other guys going, and that would be great. So the thing for you guys to do is just get the wiring down so we can code this, and then we'll see how many other ones we can get going here. Okay, that would be great if we could do it. But get a lot going. But I think that's a sort of an okay system. So that's the situation, and talk to you later.